Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. My name is Emma.
And I'm James. Hi, everyone.
How are you today, James?
I'm very good, Emma. How are you?
I'm great. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. And hello to all our listeners. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, thank you for listening. If this is your first time, welcome. We are here to help you learn English.
That's right. And if you like this podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, James, are you ready to start?
Yes, but first I have a funny story.
Ooh, I love stories. Tell us.
Okay, so yesterday I tried to speak to my neighbor, a very nice lady. I wanted to say, I am at the window. You know, I was standing at my window.
Yes, at the window. Go on.
But instead I said, I am a window.
You said, I am a window?
Yes, I am a window, not I am at the window. I forgot the word at.
Oh, James, that is so funny.
I felt so silly, Emma. My neighbor looked very confused.
I can imagine. But James, this is perfect. This is exactly what we want to talk about today.
Really?
Yes, today we are talking about mistakes. Our topic is why your brain loves mistakes.
Mistakes. Yes, I make many mistakes.
We all do, and that is okay. Actually, that is wonderful.
Wonderful? How?
We will explain. Today, we will talk about why mistakes are good, why mistakes help you learn, and why mistakes are proof you are trying.
Proof you're trying. I like that.
Me too. So, let's start. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, James, let me ask you a question. When you said, I am a window to your neighbor, how did you feel?
Embarrassed. I felt silly. I thought, oh no, my English is bad.
Exactly. Many people feel this way. When we make a mistake, we feel bad.
Yes, we feel nervous. We think people will laugh at me.
That's right. But here is the truth. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
I know this is true, but sometimes I still feel scared.
Of course, it's natural. But let me tell you something important. When you make a mistake, your brain is working very hard.
My brain is working?
Yes, your brain is trying new things. Your brain is learning. This is good.
So mistakes mean my brain is active?
Exactly. Think about it like this. When you learn English, you try new words, you try new sentences. Sometimes you make mistakes, but every mistake teaches your brain something new.
Oh, I see. So mistakes are teachers.
Yes, perfect, James. Mistakes are teachers.
I like this idea. So I should not feel bad about my mistake.
No, you should feel proud. Why? Because you tried to speak English. You didn't stay silent, you practiced.
Proud. Okay, that's a new way to think.
Let me say this again for our listeners. When you make a mistake in English, it means you are trying, and trying is the most important thing.
Trying is the most important thing. Yes.
If you never try, you never learn. So mistakes are proof you are learning.
Proof you are learning. I love this.
Good. Now, let's talk more about how mistakes help your brain.
Okay, Emma, you said mistakes help the brain. Can you explain more?
Of course. I want to teach you a new idea. I call it the brain gym.
Brain gym? Like a gym for your body?
Exactly. When you go to the gym, what do?
You lift weights. You exercise.
Yes. And why do you lift weights?
To become stronger.
Right. At first, the weights are heavy. It's difficult, but you keep trying and slowly you become stronger.
Oh, I understand. Learning English is like lifting weights.
Yes, your brain is like a muscle. When you learn new English words or grammar, it's heavy, it's hard work.
And when I make a mistake?
When you make a mistake, your brain is lifting a heavy weight. Your brain is working hard, and this makes your brain stronger.
So mistakes make my brain stronger.
Exactly. Every mistake is like one more exercise at the gym.
Wow, so I should think, good, I made a mistake. My brain is getting stronger.
Yes, that's perfect, James.
But Emma, sometimes mistakes feel bad. How can I feel good about them?
Great question. Here's what I do. When I make a mistake, I say to myself, this is my brain gym. I'm getting stronger.
This is my brain gym. I like that.
You can also think about this. Children make many mistakes when they learn to speak. Do we think children are bad? No, we think they are learning.
That's true. Babies say funny things all the time.
Exactly. And we don't laugh at them in a mean way. We celebrate. We say, good job, you are trying.
So we should treat ourselves like children with kindness?
Yes, be kind to yourself. Say, good job, I am trying.
I will try this, Emma.
Wonderful. Now, let me give you one more example. Imagine you are learning to ride a bicycle.
Okay.
At first, you fall down. You make mistakes. But do you stop?
No, you keep trying.
Right. And after many tries, you can ride the bicycle. The mistakes helped you learn.
So English is like riding a bicycle.
Yes, every mistake brings you closer to success.
I really like this idea, Emma. Mistakes are not the end, they are part of the journey.
Perfect. That's exactly right. Mistakes are part of the journey.
Okay, so listeners, remember, your brain loves mistakes because mistakes make you stronger.
Yes, let's say that together one more time. Mistakes make you stronger.
Mistakes make you stronger.
Okay, James, let's have some fun now. Can you share another funny mistake?
Oh, I have many. Let me think. Okay, here is one. Last week, I went to a cafe.
A cafe. Okay.
I wanted to order a coffee. I wanted to say, can I have a coffee, please?
Yes, that's correct.
But I said, can I have a cat, please?
A cat?
Yes, I said cat instead of coffee. The waiter looked very confused.
Oh, James, what did the waiter say?
He said, sorry, what? And I realized my mistake. I said, oh, no, coffee. I want coffee, not a cat.
Oh, James, that is wonderful. Did you get your coffee?
Yes, I did. And the waiter smiled. He understood. It was okay.
You see, the waiter understood. He didn't think you were bad at English. He just smiled.
Yes, and I learned something. I learned the difference between cat and coffee.
Exactly. Now you will never forget that. Your brain learned because of the mistake.
That's true. I will always remember this.
Good. Okay, I have a story too.
Oh, tell us, Emma.
When I was learning Spanish, I wanted to say, I am embarrassed. In Spanish, that is, estoy avergonzada.
Okay.
But I said, estoy embarazada. Do you know what that means?
No, what does that mean?
It means, I am pregnant.
Oh, no.
Yes, I told my Spanish teacher, I am pregnant instead of I am embarrassed.
What did your teacher say?
She laughed so much, but then she explained the difference, and now I never make that mistake again.
I love this story.
Me too. And you know what? I can laugh about it now. It's a happy memory.
Yes, mistakes can become happy memories.
Exactly. So, listeners, when you make a funny mistake, don't feel bad. Laugh. Enjoy. You are learning.
And remember, mistakes are proof you are trying.
Yes, let's repeat that one more time. Mistakes are proof you are trying.
Mistakes are proof you are trying.
Okay, so we know mistakes are good, but how can we learn from them?
Good question, Emma.
Here are 3 simple steps. Step 1, notice your mistake.
Notice. That means see or understand, right?
Yes, when you make a mistake, pay attention. For example, you said, I am a window instead of I am at the window. You noticed the word at was missing.
Yes, I noticed that.
Good. Step 2, don't feel bad. Be kind to yourself.
Be kind. Say, it's okay. I am learning.
Perfect. Step 3, practice the correct way.
Practice. So I should say the sentence again correctly.
Yes, say it again. I am at the window. Say it 5 times, 10 times.
I am at the window. I am at the window. I am at the window.
Excellent. Now your brain remembers the correct way.
So notice, be kind, and practice.
Exactly. These 3 steps help you learn from mistakes.
This is very helpful, Emma.
I'm glad. And listeners, you can use these steps too. Notice your mistake, be kind to yourself, practice the correct way.
And remember, mistakes are your friends.
Yes, mistakes are your friends. They help you grow. Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end of today's podcast.
It was a great conversation, Emma.
I think so too. Let's recap. What did we learn today?
We learned that mistakes are good. Mistakes help us learn.
Yes, and we learned about the brain gym. Mistakes make your brain stronger.
We also learned that mistakes are proof you are trying.
That's right. If you make a mistake, don't feel bad, feel proud.
Yes, be kind to yourself.
And we shared some funny mistakes. I said, I am pregnant instead of I am embarrassed.
And I said, I am a window and can I have a cat, please?
These mistakes are funny now. They are happy memories.
Yes, so listeners, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey.
Exactly. Every mistake brings you closer to success.
Okay, Emma, now we have a question for our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Here's the question. Tell us one funny mistake you made in English this week.
Yes, we want to celebrate your bravery.
Leave a comment and tell us your funny mistake. We want to hear it.
And don't worry, we will not laugh at you. We will laugh with you.
That's right. Mistakes are something to celebrate, not hide.
So, tell us, what funny mistake did you make this week?
We can't wait to read your stories.
And remember, everyone, mistakes make you stronger.
Yes, be brave, keep trying. You are doing amazing.
Thank you so much for listening today.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like and subscribe. It helps us so much.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, let's learn together.
Okay, everyone, until next time.
Take care and keep practicing.
Goodbye.